Fresh. We're in Spearfish Canyon. I thought I'd do a quick video on my Darkside tire experience. We're here during Sturgis Rally in August 2016. You can see a few of the bikes going by. I've installed on this 2014 Electra Glide a 16-inch Toyo tire. So we're going to go down the canyon, and when we get at the end at Cheyenne Crossing, we're going to have a couple of beers. I hope your ride is just as safe. Here we go. Yep, got going a little fast there, but had some bikers behind me, so I didn't want to hold them up. Speed limit in Spearfish Canyon. By the way, we just left the area of Bridle Falls. Speed limit here is 35 miles an hour. So it's pretty slow. It's a beautiful canyon. If you've never been to South Dakota Black Hills, you need to come because it's a beautiful sight. If you got a motorcycle, bring it during Sturgis. If you don't like big crowds, don't come here during Sturgis. So I was going to try and get going a little bit faster here around these turns. So far I've been real happy. The Toyo tire has a soft sidewall, and I'm not sure that that's a plus, but it's got an A rated on everything. Speed, it's a 150 mile an hour tire. A rated on temperature. It's been a great tire. I got about 3,000 miles on it. I just never have done my report. We're following a couple of your bikers here that are doing 40 miles an hour, which is pretty relaxed for the canyon during Sturgis. And hey, you know, I want to say thanks to my lovely wife who's doing the photography today. By the way, if you were like me and you couldn't get any dealership to put the tire on for you, you might as well just buy the jack, buy the balancing stand, buy the tire irons, and do it all yourself. I didn't really do that to save money. I just did it because nobody was willing to put the tire on for me, but she handles great. I'm still running a Dunlop American Elite, I believe, in the front. The last set of tires I had before I changed them to these was Michelin Commander 2. And they were terrible tire, I thought. Not even half worn, and in the rain they'd be very, very slippery. Took that corner about 42. I can't get going much faster than that. We came down here, we were doing about 50 miles an hour up to Bridle Falls. But that's alright, there's a lot of traffic here. It's dangerous. A couple of years ago we had a crotch rocket on one of these straightaways. Wheelie past us and passed us up. I thought it was pretty cool. I don't want to bore you, so anyway, you can see we're just taking the corners here about 40 miles an hour right now. Nice long corner. Remember, you gotta push through the corners just like usual. Can't hardly tell the difference. I mean, seriously, I think I could give the bike to somebody and have them go through this canyon. You wouldn't be able to tell there was car tire on the back. Anyway, I'll cut the clip. We'll come back down toward a little closer to Cheyenne Crossing.